everyone, and welcome to a new review. In today's video, I'm going to show you our brand new handheld cordless vacuum cleaner. This is the Miele Triflex HX1. This is a 3-in-1 innovation amazing vacuum cleaner. And I'm going to show you what it can do. I'm going to show you the 3-in-1 technique, what this vacuum cleaner has. I'm going to show you the instructions. I'm going to show you how it vacuums. I'm going to show you how to put the parts together, how you can switch them up, how you can use it as a hand vacuum. And yeah, I'm going to just show you how amazing it is. And so stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, so before we get started, I'm going to show you that it came in these this Miele box, and the box already shows you some great features, and it is super practical. The box is not big because it was set apart in different pieces, and I had to put them together, and that was also super easy because it came with a quick start guide. So the quick start guide shows you everything you need to do before you use your vacuum for the first time. It shows you how to attach the pieces. This is the 3-in-1, so you got 3 different versions. It shows you how to put the wall mount on the wall, and how you can put all your tools on this piece that belongs to the wall mount. Yeah, so it shows you how to empty the dustbin, everything in a super quick guide. I had to charge it for 4 hours before using it the very first time, and then it was ready to go, and it really works perfectly. So I'm going to show you now how to assemble this vacuum, and I'm going to also show you with what pieces it comes. Okay, so like I said, you can use this in 3 different ways, and I'm going to show you how this works. So let's start with that piece here. That is the extra wide 28 centimeters floor head. So this is rotating super strong when you vacuum the floor. And of course this goes at the bottom. So you just click this in here super fast. And then you can, this piece on top. And in this piece goes the battery and the handle and also the dustbin. So all these 3 pieces going to be attached to that one. I'm going to do that quickly and then come back to you. Okay, so I put these parts on here. So here is the dustbin, and here is the battery, and here's the handle. So now what we have is the one version of the vacuum cleaner. You got all this heavy part, the battery and everything, on top of the vacuum. So you can just vacuum like this. I'm going to show you how this is going to look. Okay, so I got this long piece, and I can just vacuum just like this every piece of my floor, and this is super light version. I can also take the floor head off and put another tool on there, or just leave it off and go everywhere where I need it, because you can reach every spot with this super long handle. So this is how it looks when I vacuum like this. And now I'm going to disassemble these pieces again, and I'm going to show you how it looks when you have this whole part at the middle, and then you have the long handle on top. Okay, so to change this up, you first are going to take your handle off your vacuum cleaner. You just have to push this button right here, and then you're going to take this part off your vacuum cleaner, and you're going to take the bottom part off. So, and then you're going to put this piece on here, and you're going to put this long piece on there, other way around, until it clicks, and you have your handle that goes on here. And super simply and fast, you have changed this into a complete different version of a vacuum cleaner. So now this is even more flexible. Now you can reach under furniture and whatever you need to reach like this. You can vacuum either like this or the other way, whatever is better for you. Both ways work perfectly. I'm going to show you how it looks when I vacuum like this. just the same way, just that this dustbin and the battery are both at the bottom now. So if you don't want to put your wall mount against the wall, you can just lean your vacuum against the wall just simply, and it won't fall down. But luckily I have a good dad that put the wall mount up for us on the wall. And you also have this little attachment where you can put all your tools on the wall, that just every time you need one, you got it ready right there. And it doesn't matter which way you have your vacuum, if you have the battery charging thing in the middle of the vacuum or you have it on top. Both ways you can hang this up on the wall, and I'm going to show you how this looks and how you charge it. Okay, so I put my vacuum cleaner in the wall mount now. As you can see, it is stored perfectly right here. Like I said, you can also do this the other way around. Here is my charger, so of course I put this right next to some plugs, and then you're just gonna put this right here and you put it in your plug, and then you see when it's charging, it shows you the front is blinking right here. Mine is actually still full since I just used it right now for demonstration purposes. But yeah, if it's empty, there's only going to be one blinking, then it's two blinking, then it's three blinking, and when it's fully charged, then it will show you that it is full. So, and this is the third version, how you can use your vacuum just as a hand vacuum. The only thing I have here is the whole thing with the trash bin and the battery and the handle, and you can just use any attachment tool on here. You can also use that big one on here, and then you can use it, for example, if you go up your steps or something and you don't want to carry this around, or for some quick cleanup, you can just use this here. You turn it on and this is how it works. So, but let's talk about these three extra tools that come with it. I'm used to this from Miele. They always give these three attachments, and that's actually all you need for your vacuum in your house. So this comes with an upholstery nozzle, and this is actually an XL version, so you can use this on your sofa. Sorry for my hand drawings, that was my daughter. Then it comes with a crevice nozzle. So you use these in all your cracks and everything you cannot reach so good. You just use this part. And it comes also with a dusting brush. This is perfect for the corners, for the spider webs or something. And it also comes with this accessory holder, so that I had to attach extra to the wall mount. I'm going to show you how to use these three pieces while I'm telling you a little bit about this vacuum cleaner. So what this vacuum cleaner also has, it has three different levels. So if you want to just do a light cleanup and your floor is not really dirty, you go on the level 1, and if it's a little bit more dirty, go on level 2, and if it's super dirty, you go on level 3. That's the maximum. If you vacuum on level 1, then your vacuum cleaner battery lasts up to 60 minutes. And I believe that this is actually a long time. I believe a full charge takes about 3 to 4 hours. And that is fully okay for me. So this is a 3-in-1 innovation. I already said this. The color is graphite gray, and is a handheld convenience. Is effortless cleaning with maximum reach, and it has a powerful Vortex technology. It has an extra wide 28 centimeter floor head, and the 3-in-1 design gives you extreme flexibility in cleaning in all areas. You can clean hardwood floors, you can clean carpets, you can clean furniture, and even ceilings, and also underneath low furnitures. And just as strong as Miele's most powerful corded vacuum is this vacuum. It has a super strong suction, and you can just get everything up with this. Also, the lifetime filter captures and filters 99.9% of all microscopic particles and allergens. It has an automatic floor detection. I love this about this vacuum because you hear it changes the sound when you drive over hard floor or over carpet. It just sounds different because the vacuum recognizes the different floor types. It can be charged in 2 different positions, and also the dustbin is super easy twist to open. So you just twist it and you get it out and you can empty your dustbin in just seconds. Okay, so this is how easy and simple vacuuming and emptying that trash bin can be. I highly recommend you getting this vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next review.